Good morning to all of you. Right now you are watching Improve Your English with Sule. In today's topic I'll be discussing about there is and there are. What is there is and what is there are? So let's get started. First we will talk about the definition of there is and there are. There is and there are. It is used to exist something in a particular place. First we will talk about there is it. What is there is? So there is we use for singular noun. When we talk about one noun, so we use there is, but it is also used for uncountable noun. If we talk about singular noun, so before singular noun we use a and n. When we talked about those nouns which start with consonant, so we use a. When nouns start with vowel sound, so we use a.an. For example, I have given you example here that there is a TV. So it means that we are talking about one TV, and we have written here a because TV start with consonant sound. Now we have another example. There is a dice. So we have one dice. That's why we have written here a. Like for example, there is an orange on the table. There is an egg on the table. Clear? I'm quite sure that you must have learned this. Now we will talk about some. When we talk about uncountable noun means that we cannot count it into 1, 2, 3. For example, water, oil, sugar. So we cannot count water and sugar. So then we use instead of a and n, we use some n for uncountable. For example, there is some water in the glass. So we cannot say that there is a water in the glass. Clear? There is some sugar and the tea. When we talk about the interrogative of this sentence, like there is some water in the glass. So instead of some, we use any an interrogative question. Like, is there any water in the glass? As well as negative, we put any. So there isn't any water in the glass. When we make questions from these sentences, so this is will come at the beginning of a sentence. Is there a TV? Is there dice? Is there any water? Clear? Now let's talk about are. So there are we use their time when we talk about plural noun, but countable. Clear? I have given here example like there are some chairs, there are some cups, there are some students, there are some doctors. When we change these into negative and interrogative, so then we put any, like there aren't any student in the class, there aren't any doctors in the class, there aren't any TVs in the class. Clear? When we talk about the interrogative, so we put any. In negative structure and interrogative structure, we put any, like are there any chairs in the class? Are there any doctors in the hospital? Clear? So I'm quite sure that you must have learned today's topic. It's enough for today. Goodbye for now. See you.